Hello everyone. So today we are going to unbox this Cadbury Silk Heart Blush. So I was having lots of trouble to open it because it was so sticky, as you can see here. Like it was so hard, and then my nails were sticking to that silver area. But then somehow I just managed to open it, and then it had a way to open it from the side. So I just did that, and then when I opened it, there was something this red, and then I tore it, and then finally a big chocolate came up, and it was so cute, but it wasn't opening with my hand. So I found some scissors and then just cut it, and then inside it, definitely with the white wrapper and the golden wrappers like normal silks have, it also had that. And then I didn't cut it, I tore it, I don't know why. But then finally the heart is here.